Unbelievable facts that are 100% true. Welcome to the Unseen Facts. We live in a world governed by what we see, but reality is often hidden beneath layers of time and scale. Today, we are stripping away those layers to reveal truths that sound like pure fiction but are backed by rigorous science and history. From ancient empires that overlapped with modern schools to biological wonders that defy death, these are the facts that reshape your reality. Let's look closer. Fact 1. Oxford University versus the Aztec Empire. We often think of the Aztec Empire as ancient, but in reality, Oxford University was already teaching students centuries before the Aztecs even founded Tenochtitlan. While the Aztec Empire began around 1325, evidence shows that teaching at Oxford existed as early as 1096. This means that by the time the Aztecs were building their famous pyramids, Oxford had been a functioning institution for over 200 years. Our mental timeline of history is often surprisingly disconnected from reality. Fact 2. Sharks, the elders of Earth. Sharks are often feared as primitive predators, but their history is more impressive than we realize. These creatures have existed for more than 400 million years, making them older than the dinosaurs and even older than trees. While the first primitive trees appeared roughly 350 million years ago, sharks were already patrolling the oceans in various forms. They have survived 4 of the Big 5 mass extinctions, proving that their biological design is one of the most successful in Earth's history. Fact 3. The immortal jellyfish. In the depths of the ocean lives a creature that has solved the mystery of eternal life, Turritopsis dohrnii. When this jellyfish faces physical damage or starvation, it doesn't die. Instead, it undergoes transdifferentiation, a process where its cells revert back to their earliest polyp stage. It essentially turns back into a baby to start its life cycle all over again. Theoretically, this process can go on forever, making it the only biologically immortal animal known to science. Fact 4. The scale of human DNA. The human body is a masterpiece of compact engineering. If you were to take all the DNA molecules out of every single cell in your body and stretch them out end to end, the strand would reach from Earth to Pluto and back, not once, but 6 times. Despite being microscopic and coiled tightly within our cells, the sheer volume of genetic information we carry is astronomical in scale. We are walking libraries containing billions of miles of biological code. Fact 5. The diamond planets. Space is often more valuable than we can imagine. Astronomers have discovered carbon planets where the pressure is so intense that entire layers of the planet's interior are made of solid diamond. One such exoplanet, 55 Cancri e, is twice the size of Earth and is believed to be composed largely of diamond and graphite. While we can't reach it yet, it serves as a reminder that the universe produces wealth on a scale that makes Earth's economy look insignificant. Fact 6. The true color of the universe. If you look at the night sky, you might think the universe is black or perhaps deep blue. However, scientists who averaged the light from over 200,000 galaxies discovered that the average color of the universe is actually a pale beige. They named this color cosmic latte. While the universe contains vibrant nebulas and brilliant stars, the collective light emitted throughout the cosmos settles into this surprisingly mundane, creamy shade when viewed from a distance. Fact 7. Trees communicate via the wood wide web. Underneath the forest floor, trees are far more social than they appear. They are connected by a complex underground network of fungal threads known as mycorrhizal fungi. Through this wood wide web, trees share nutrients, water, and even send out chemical warnings about pest attacks to their neighbors. Older mother trees use this network to nurture younger saplings, proving that a forest is not just a collection of individuals, but a highly coordinated, communicative community. Fact 8. The Great Pyramid and the Mammoths. We often place the Ice Age and ancient Egypt in completely different chapters of Earth's history, but they actually shook hands. When the Great Pyramid of Giza was being completed for Pharaoh Khufu, a small, isolated population of woolly mammoths was still very much alive on Wrangel Island in the Arctic Ocean. These prehistoric giants didn't fully vanish until about 1650 BC, nearly 1,000 years after the pyramids were already standing as ancient monuments. Fact 9. Venus and its backward days. In our solar system, time behaves in ways that defy our Earth-centric intuition. Take Venus, for example. It rotates so slowly on its axis that its day is actually longer than its year. It takes Venus about 243 Earth days to complete one single rotation, while it only takes 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Even stranger, Venus is one of the few planets that rotates clockwise, meaning on its surface, the Sun rises in the west. Fact 10. The secret history of the chainsaw. Before it became a staple of horror movies and lumber yards, the chainsaw was actually an essential medical tool. In the late 18th century, two Scottish doctors invented a prototype of the chainsaw to aid in symphysiotomy, a grueling procedure used during difficult births to widen the pelvis. It was a hand-cranked device designed to cut through bone and cartilage more quickly than a standard knife, long before it was ever used to cut through wood. Did any of these facts make you question your internal timeline? Drop a comment below and tell us which one hit the hardest. If you're enjoying this deep dive into the obscure, hit that like button to help our community grow. Stay curious, because the truth is often hidden in plain sight. We'll see you in the next one.